Welcome back, happy people. Today we will look at another headset, and I'm so excited because it's the Gen 2 of my favorite earbuds, and I just wanted to see the differences between these two products. The earbuds for today's review are the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 from Anker. For this product review we will be looking at the same topics that we looked at for Liberty Air 1, and I'll try to do a small comparison between these two products. We will be looking at build quality, functionality, which will be divided into features and the app, sound quality, price and competition. So let's start this review. The earbuds come in a really nice box, the same as the Liberty Air 1, but a bit shorter, with the same open mechanism and the magnetic lid at the side. The only difference is that once the lid is open, the case and the pods are well presented, whilst on the previous version there was only the case. Let's check the components in the box. We have the case and the earbuds, and then they are the USB cable Type-C, the user manual, and the ear tips, which come in extra small, small, large, extra large, and the earbuds are already fitted with a medium size. The Soundcore Liberty Air 2 come in a really nice case made of high quality plastic. I can see two different shades of grey with a bit of red accents. The Soundcore logo is printed at the top and has a reflective finish just like a mirror. As opposed to the Liberty Air 1, they have a matte finish, however the overall aspect of the earbuds look better on the first generation. It is more minimalist and classy, although it attracts fingerprints. The case is matte, not black, but more of a dark grey color, and it doesn't attract fingerprints. The first thing that I noticed on the Liberty Air 2 case is the mark where you open the lid. Looks like a fingerprint reader, like the Pixel phone uses, but actually it's to help you open the case. It is a nice touch. The second thing that I've noticed are the LED lights. These sit on the lower half of the case as compared to the Air 1, which had the light in the center. And finally, the third thing and probably the most important one is the Type-C charging port. It is not a surprise for 2020 earbuds to have this type of port, however the previous version uses only micro USB cables. So in both cases the earbuds and the case are made of great materials just expected from the second generation. The Soundcore Liberty Air 2 offers up to 7 hours of playtime from a single charge, and the best part is that they also have fast charge, meaning that if you put them back in the case for 10 minutes and let them charge for 10 minutes, they offer 2 hours of playtime. Together with the case, the playtime goes up to 28 hours, this depends on the usage. The best feature that the case has, and just to make myself clear, I was not aware of it until I actually bought the product and checked the info on the box, it is the compatibility with wireless charging devices. Basically, I don't need any charging cables with me, I just need my wireless charger at home, or when I am away, I just need to switch on the wireless power share feature on my smartphone. Guys, don't get me wrong, but these earbuds just laugh in the face of other brands which are 3 or 4 times more expensive and probably offer the same features. Besides the Bluetooth 5.0, which can be found probably on any devices now, the CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology, diamond-coated drives, and any other fancy names, these earbuds have their dedicated app which can be downloaded and installed from Play Store or Apple Store. The app is not strictly dedicated for this product. There are other speakers and headphones that can be used with this app. This app is brilliant, it lets you do so many things with the earbuds. So from the main menu, select headphones, Liberty series, and then Liberty Air 2. Most likely it needs to do a firmware update, but once that is completed, you will get to this screen. If you click on the icon at the top left corner, it will take you to your device. Then again, on the top left corner icon, you can see the following options. Log into your account to save all the settings. My devices, check all the devices connected via this app. Exclusive offer, see all the Soundcore products. Settings, where you can change the language and turn on or off push notifications. And About, which tells you the information in regards to this app. On the top right corner there is the bell icon, also called Messages, and it gives you more information about the HereID function, and under it is the how-to guide which opens a page on YouTube to see how to use these earphones. Back to the main screen, on each corner of the earbuds you can see the left and right sign. Once you touch it, it will tell you the battery level for each unit. If you slide left, it will take you to the Equalizer and HereID menu. We will look at the Equalizer first. It has the option to do a custom EQ based on your preferences and can be saved as an EQ profile. Then there is the Professional Equalizer, where you can find 10 custom EQ designed by Grammy-winning producers. The last option is the Default Equalizer, where you have 22 preset EQ for each music style. Now let's look at the HereID technology, which means that this app can help you to take a test to create a custom set of EQ settings that are optimized for your ears. HereID maps your hearing sensitivity at multiple frequencies and analyzes the result to give you a truly personalized hearing experience. That's great, but this applies only to music. I'll show you how it works. Open the app and click on HereID, then Next, and select the correct option for your age. Next. Allow the app to record audio and find a quiet place to run the test. Put the earbuds in your ears, and for this test to work you have to touch and hold the button when you can hear the sound and release the button when you stop hearing the sound. It will start with the left ear pod and the sound is kind of on and off, so it's very hard to release the button and press it again. It is off for like a fraction of a second. Then it does the same with the right ear pod, and at the end it will tell you your personalized HereID profile. As you can see from the image, in my case it is nearly flat. Probably that spike for the left earbud is when I released the button and pressed it again. Besides that, I can't find any explanation. Honestly, I will turn it off so both of the earbuds perform the same. I will try it again and let you know if anything changes, and with this occasion you can follow me on Twitter or on Instagram, because there is the place for new updates in regards to this product. On the main screen, if you slide right, you can see the controls for the touchpad. The Liberty Air 2 earbuds have built-in touchpads to allow you to play, pause, skip music, answer calls or activate the voice assistant with simple touch commands. The best part is that you can customize these settings. These customized commands work when both of the units are in use. When only one is used, they will revert back to the default settings, which are single tap on the left earbud to decrease the volume, single tap on the right earbud to increase the volume, double tap on the left earbud to play the next song, double tap on the right earbud to play or pause. Hold for 2 seconds on the left or on the right earbud to activate the voice assistant on your phone. Now here are my custom settings. Single tap on the left or on the right unit to play or pause. Double tap on the left unit to play the next song. Double tap on the right unit to go back to the previous song. Hold for 2 seconds on the left unit to decrease the volume. Hold for 2 seconds on the right unit to increase the volume. During a phone call, you can answer by single tap on the left unit, and you can reject it by double tapping on the right unit. The Liberty Air 2 are IPX5 rated for efficient protection against liquids, and by that I mean splash, light rain and sweat. The earbuds and the case are not waterproof. They are not designed for swimming, showering or exposure to pool or ocean water, and please do not use them in sauna or steam room. Now my favorite topic, and I have to say only one word. Wow, the sound is amazing. They offer outstanding clarity with great highs and amazing bass. You can listen to any music type and the earbuds will cope. They sound better than the Gen 1 thanks to the app and the equalizer that can be customized as per your preferences. Besides listening to music or audiobooks, these earbuds can be used during a phone call. They are packed with 4 microphones for better pick of the voice and to filter out external noise to boost clarity and quality. The feedback from the other side of the call is that it sounds the same as speaking on the phone itself, so I'm happy with that. At the moment when this video is recorded, the Liberty Air 2 is priced at £89.99, which is £10 cheaper than the Gen 1 retail price. I got them for £55.99 for Amazon Prime Day, so keep an eye open for offers. For this price you get great sound, a lot of technology and flexibility due to the dual touchpad, a nice wireless charging case, 28 hours of playtime, and custom equalizers from Grammy-winning designers. Can you find something else? For the price I paid, I don't think so. Even for £89.99, I don't think there is something in the market that offers exactly the same as this earbud. But feel free to let me know your thoughts and what earbuds did you find to have exactly the same features in the same price range. You can find the link to this amazing product in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so please use it if you're willing to get one because it will help the channel. We reached the end of this product review. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Hit the like button if so, and subscribe to be notified of other great product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.